We are with Shrikant Sahasrabudhe. He is the founder and managing director of Manas Microsystems, which is based out of Pune.
Yeah.
Shrikantji, you are completing 25 years.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us the journey of Manas Microsystems till now?
Yeah, sure. Manas Microsystems was founded in 1998 and initially with the motto that whatever instruments are not manufactured in India, we should manufacture. So initially we started working on electromagnetic flow meter, and in 2001 we successfully launched the meter after all the industrial testing. It received a very good response from the market. Initially, though, it was a bit tough to market the thing, but still slowly and slowly, as people experience the stability and accuracy, durability, then the flow of flow meters started increasing, and then it was well stable. Then of course it was made a smart meter later. Those days smart was not that much popular yet, but then we entered into smart meters where the user can program the meters as per his needs. The second step was to increase the area of marketing. Initially we got approvals from various state irrigation boards, water boards. So obviously what happens, the state irrigation board, they float a tender for certain projects, and the contractor has to lay the pipes and install the pumps and flow meters also. So since our name was approved by the board in the tender, the names of approved makes was coming where our name also was there. So those days only multinationals were in competition, and our prices were comparatively much lower. That is mainly because our overheads were much less. So obviously our prices were less, and we started getting the orders from the EPC contractors also. Then we got registered in Gujarat Water Board, later Rajasthan Water Board, MP Water Board. Now UP Jal Nigam, recently we have got registered, and we received a very good response from UP Jal Nigam contractors. We are also registered at Rajasthan. We have also supplied to Karnataka, Bangalore, because Bangalore Water Board is a separate water board. So Bangalore also the approval was needed. Karnataka also was needed. So at both places we have supplied our meters. Now all over India almost we have supplied, and not only that, then we received some inquiries from abroad also. So initially we supplied to Srilanka, then to New Zealand, and some of the Gulf countries also we supplied. And the thing is that the Gulf countries means we have some repeat orders also from the Gulf country companies.
So even Middle East, you have a lot of oil and gas.
Yeah, but mainly this was utilized for water purpose.
Water purpose.
Yeah.
So our
This
product is especially for
product
water.
is not only for water but all liquids which are having a conducting property, electrically conducting liquids. The conductivity may be low, but it should be electrically conducting. Yeah. It doesn't work for oil or petrol or diesel, such
Those
things.
kind of
It will not. Yeah. But it works for all the water and water-based compounds. Also, it goes in good quantity in all the sugar and distillery industries.
So electromagnetic and ultrasonic flow meters, what Manas is
Yeah.
offering, is very popular.
Yeah, very popular now.
So apart from that, which are the major products now Manas is manufacturing?
Manas is also manufacturing now. Recently, we entered the thermal mass flow meter. The thermal mass flow meter is mainly utilized for the purpose of measurement of compressed air, compressed gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and also for CNG and PNG, which are fuel gases. They also can be measured with this. We have developed different algorithms for different gases, and it works well to our satisfaction. Rather, it works to customer satisfaction. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing all these valuable information. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.